how to fix any effect problem on TikTok app. So if you have any problem with a specific effect, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing you wanna do, guys, is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Go into the apps. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do here is very simple. Just scroll until you find TikTok and then click on it like this. Click on this for stop here and then go to the storage. Click on clear cache and clear data. After you do that, now you have to go into the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled and then go back into the home page. Open the Play Store, search for TikTok like this and then click on this update option like this. When you click on it, your TikTok is gonna be updated and you will get the latest effects and features. Don't forget to like, subscribe.